Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make something very simple and very delicious and fluffy. I'm going to show you how to turn oatmeal into a fluffy Nigerian pancake. I'm showing you how to make oatmeal pancake. So we'll be needing blended oatmeal. So I already blended my oatmeal. So we are going to be needing baking powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I'll be using 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour as well. Some salt, which is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to whisk this together. Combine all your dry ingredients together. Make sure you combine everything thoroughly. This oatmeal breakfast recipe is very delicious and it's very fluffy. You're going to enjoy this Nigerian pancake. Go ahead and add 1 egg room temperature, and go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Is optional. Then go ahead and add 1 cup of warm milk. I'm using 1 cup of warm milk to prepare this our Nigerian pancake. Combine all your ingredients together until your wet ingredients is properly combined with your dry ingredients. Just take your time and combine everything until it's well cooperated. This pancake recipe only takes you 5 to 10 minutes to prepare, and you get a perfect Nigerian pancake. In a pan, use oil, or you can also use unsalted butter to grease your pan. So preheat your pan until it's fully hot. Then you go ahead and add your pancake batter into your preheated pan. Cook this about 3 to 5 minutes on both sides, then flip it. Once you see it's golden brown, like you can see these bubbles on the surface, you know your pancake is ready to be flipped. So you flip it to the other side. You can see it looks a little bit brown on the other side of the pancake. You know that part of the pancake is ready, and cook the other side for about 2 minutes, then remove it. Repeat the process until all your pancake is fully cooked and ready. So this is it. You can see I'm going to go ahead and flip it. We'll repeat the same process in our pancake. One quickly tip: please remember to follow all the ingredients step by step to get a perfect Nigerian pancake. Please do not forget to leave any comments if you have comments about this Nigerian pancake in the comment section. I'm always open to answer your question. Dish your pancake to enjoy your delicious oatmeal pancake. This pancake is actually fluffy. You can use any berries to enjoy your pancake, your oatmeal pancake. I will be using blueberries, some banana. Also, I'll go ahead and add some syrup. This easy homemade pancake recipe is actually very fluffy, and this is how to turn oatmeal into a fluffy Nigerian pancake. The recipe is very easy to follow. If you really enjoy this how to make oatmeal pancake, please do not forget to like this video, and please remember to share this video with your loved ones. If you have any question about this pancake recipe, please do not hesitate in leave it in the comment section. I'm always here to help. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my oatmeal pancake. Please do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. To see more of my videos, click notification bell as well, so you get updated of my latest video. And also remember to follow me on my Facebook page. I'll see you in my next video, and please stay safe. Thank you so much for watching this my how to make oatmeal pancake. I'll see you soon. Stay blessed.
Oh yes, delicious.